Yeah, so I'm gonna start with taking the kale in small pieces from the steams and tear into bite-sized pieces. This is the green kale I use. Here I'm using a scissor to yeah, make it smaller pieces. If you get them too big, they might not be ready in the oven if they're too big. So, of course, you wash the kale before thoroughly, and you can even dry it before you start. And then here I put on some olive oil, drizzle it over the kale, and then I'm gonna soak them into the oil. I'm gonna push them down here soon. Speeding it up here, and then I'm gonna put them out on the bakplåtspapper, as we say in Sweden. It's I forgot what they called. I'm putting it out here. Spread them out. So the more spread out.
Put the oven on 150 degrees Celsius. Spread out the green kale. You can see it's pretty oily. Let's put it in the middle. Something like that.
Yes, the oven glass is greasy. So, heating away here in the oven.
Let it be in for 15 to 20 minutes. And then use the sea salt.
You bake until the edges are brown, but not burnt. So, all from 10 to 20 minutes before they're ready. Here, I'm gonna put on some salt. I actually already have done it, so I'm faking it here. And I'm gonna try it out. It's crispy. It's like normal chips.
Mmm.
Yeah, really good. Try it out. Tastes good. Oh, and don't forget, give thumbs up and comment and subscribe and all that. I really appreciate it. Okay, bye bye.